Defects in solids. In solid state, we talk about crystalline solid. Crystalline solid forms crystal lattice. What is crystal lattice? Crystal lattice is the arrangement of atoms or ions or molecules inside a crystalline solid as points. Due to any reason, one atom is missing from the crystal lattice. Due to missing of atom, here one defect is arises. So now coming to defects. Defects in solids. Defects are divided into two types. They are point defects and electron defect. Point defects are also again three types. They are stoichiometric defects, non-stoichiometric defect and impurity defects. Stoichiometric defects are also four types. They are vacancy defect, interstitial defect, Schottky defect, frenkel defect. Non-stoichiometric defects are two types. They are metal excess defect and metal deficiency defects. Vacancy defect and interstitial defects are observed in non-ionic compounds. Schottky defect and frenkel defects are observed in ionic compounds. Ionic means positive and negative. So, Schottky defect and frenkel defects are observed in ionic compounds. Now we will discuss about Schottky and frenkel defect. Coming to Schottky defect is arises due to mixing of equal number of cations and anions from crystal lattice. In Schottky defect, density is decreases due to missing of cations and anions, but size of cation and size of anions are comparable. In Schottky defect, coordination number is high. What is meant by coordination number? Coordination number means anion is surrounded by how many cations and cation is surrounded by how many anions. Example for Schottky defects are solids like NaCl, KCl, AgBr are the examples for Schottky defect. Coming to frenkel defect. Defect is arises due to dislocation of cation from its lattice point and occupies an interstitial site. What is interstitial site? Empty space between the atoms are called as interstitial space. In frenkel defects, anion size is bigger than cation size because cation is arranged in interstitial space. Cation size is small and anion size is larger. Coordination number is low because cation size is small. Examples for frenkel defects are solids like AgBr, AgCl, Z and S. But AgBr exhibit two defects.